Jump, Charlie. Jump. Good girl. Good girl. Can you give Johnny a high five? Right, that's it. You lift up his hand. You give him a high five. Good girl. High five. Yeah. And jump. Jump. Yay! What are you doing now? Okay, Johnny, you can close your mouth now. Yes, you can have a jumpy jumpy. Hello, little man. Hello. Johnny at 5 months old. Oh, you give him a cuddle. That's it, you pat his head. Now be gentle, Charlie.